A share limitlessness value equivalent to $5.5600 a coin, which for the most part is very critical. The present exchanged cost range, 5.34955.8190 in an unobtrusive way. The earlier day close, 5.3600 in an every practical sense, significant way. The change for the most part was plus 0.2000, plus 3.73%. Or so they by and large thought. Opposite rates, United States dollars to Axies, a share vastness value expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month a share boundlessness cost forecast on Monday, June 26. Cost $5.22, really greatest 5.59, kind of least 4.85, or so they for the most part thought. A share vastness gauge on Tuesday, June 27. Cost $5.49, beautiful most extreme 5.87, least 5.11, or so they especially thought. A share endlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, June 28. Cost $5.76, especially greatest 6.16, least 5.36, or so they generally thought. A share vastness estimate on Thursday, June 29. Cost $5.93 in every practical sense, most extreme 6.35, beautiful least 5.51, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. In multi-week a share boundlessness cost expectation on Friday, June 30. Cost $5.85, genuinely most extreme 6.26, kind of least 5.44 in an unobtrusive way. A share limitlessness figure on Monday, July 3. Cost $5.96, truly greatest 6.38, essentially least 5.54. A share vastness cost expectation on Tuesday, July 4. Cost $6.02, most extreme 6.44, lovely least 5.60, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. A share boundlessness gauge on Wednesday, July 5. Cost $6.11, truly most extreme 6.54, especially least 5.68, or so they sort of thought. A share endlessness cost expectation on Thursday, July 6. Cost $5.86, lovely most extreme 6.27, genuinely least 5.45, which truly is very critical. In about 14 days a share boundlessness estimate on Friday, July 7. Cost $5.85, kind of greatest 6.26, fundamentally least 5.44 in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. A share boundlessness cost forecast on Monday, July 10. Cost $5.80, sort of greatest 6.21. Least 5.39 in a by and large significant manner. A share limitlessness conjecture on Tuesday, July 11. Cost $5.77, truly most extreme 6.17, beautiful least 5.37 in a quite huge way. A share vastness cost expectation on Wednesday, July 12. Cost $4.85, especially greatest 5.19. Genuinely least 4.51 in an unobtrusive way. A share boundlessness estimate on Thursday, July 13. Cost $4.67, certainly greatest 5.00, really least 4.34. In 3 weeks a share boundlessness cost expectation on Friday, July 14. Cost $4.65, especially greatest 4.98, beautiful least 4.32. All things considered, in opposition to prevalent thinking. A share vastness conjecture on Monday, July 17. Cost $4.31, kind of greatest 4.61, certainly least 4.01, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. A share vastness cost expectation on Tuesday, July 18. Cost $4.45 in every practical sense, greatest 4.76, all things considered, least 4.14. Which basically is genuinely huge. A share boundlessness figure on Wednesday, July 19. Cost $4.04, genuinely greatest 4.32, sort of least 3.76. A share vastness cost expectation on Thursday, July 20. Cost $4.08, exceptionally greatest 4.37, fundamentally least 3.79, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. In about a month a share boundlessness gauge on Friday, July 21. Cost $4.10, most certainly greatest 4.39, all things considered, least 3.81. A share boundlessness cost forecast on Monday, July 24. Cost $4.19, by and large greatest 4.48, least 3.90 in an especially enormous way. A share vastness conjecture on Tuesday, July 25, cost $4.26, fundamentally most extreme 4.56, lovely least 3.96, exhibiting how in 3 weeks a share limitlessness cost expectation on Friday, July 14, cost $4.65, certainly greatest 4.98 in every practical sense. Least 4.32 in a truly significant way. United States dollars to Axis today. United States dollars to Axis swapping scale equivalent to 0.1799 coins per $1. Today's reach 0.1719 0.1869 in an especially significant way. The past AS nearby 0.1866 in an extremely enormous way. Change for now 0.0067, 3.59%. Or so they thought. United States dollars to Axis cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which sort of is very huge. Dollar to a share boundlessness gauge on Monday, June 26, cost 0.192 coins, greatest 0.206, least 0.179. Or so they generally thought. United States dollars to Axis forecast on Tuesday, June 27, cost 0.182 coins, kind of most extreme 0.196, truly least 0.170, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dollar to a share vastness estimate on Wednesday, June 28, cost 0.174 coins, really greatest 0.187. Least 0.162 in a significant way. United States dollars to Axis forecast on Thursday, June 29, cost 0.169 coins, especially most extreme 0.181, especially least 0.157, or so they explicitly thought. In multi-week dollar to a share vastness estimate on Friday, June 30, cost 0.171 coins, truly greatest 0.184. Genuinely least 0.160, or so they basically thought. United States dollars to Axis expectation on Monday, July 3, cost 0.168 coins, most extreme 0.181, certainly least 0.157 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to a share limitlessness figure on Tuesday, July 4, cost 0.166 coins, especially most extreme 0.179. Least 0.155, which in every practical sense, is genuinely huge. United States dollars to Axis expectation on Wednesday, July 5, cost 0.164 coins in every practical sense, most extreme 0.176, least 0.153, which truly is very huge. Dollar to a share limitlessness gauge on Thursday, July 6, cost 0.1